Hello everyone, welcome back to a review. Today we're reviewing the LaColors Lip Contour Duo, and I found this item at Family Dollar. This was $2. The shade I have here is the darkest one in the line, and it is called Sink. Darkest shade in the line as in there was only 4 shades to choose from. This product has a lip liner on one side and a thick fill-in side, so a lipstick side. And this is a creamy product, nice creamy, doesn't tug or pull at your lips. It's kind of like, it's not a matte finish, but it's kind of creamy. The shade is a black cherry kind of burgundy color on this one. Very beautiful. I love how it goes on so smoothly. One of the downsides to this product is it kind of smells like sulfur to me. It has that one of those weird kind of smells, but beautiful shade and very creamy product. The shade range, 4 shades in the store, from a nude to 2 pink colors to this shade. It starts to wear when you start eating and drinking. I wore this before it was completely wore off my lips, probably 4 to 5 hours, and when you're eating and drinking, you do get that weird lip liner ring. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, very bad. But carry it in your purse and redo it when you need to. It does transfer easily because it's really creamy. Not so much feathering around the lips, but just if you, maybe swipe with your hand or something like that. Of course, it's not a matte lipstick. It's not nothing that's locked in place. It's just a creamy lipstick. I love this beautiful color, and it has pigment payoff. Like, it's really pigmented. You can easily remove this lipstick with a makeup wipe or other makeup removers. Very easy and simple. No staining. And a downside, my thick side actually broke. Yes, before I could even use it on my lips. So it broke, I guess, during the swatch, or had broke prior to that. The good outweighs the 2 negatives. The smell and the lipstick broke, you know. It's still a very beautiful shade if you can get over the smell. If smells are not an issue for you, this is a very beautiful lipstick. And I definitely would recommend trying them out because it is a decent LaColors product. I would expect nothing less than it wearing while you eat and transferring a little bit. Things like that. I mean, those are just things that are going to happen sometimes, and sometimes they might not. With the cheaper lipsticks, they're more than likely going to happen. So I'm not going to hate on it that much. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a review and some insight on this lip contour, and maybe you will try it out for yourselves. I hope you guys found this review helpful. If you have any additional questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to check that description box for additional links. Hope you enjoyed the pictures in the video as well, and stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys always for watching.